Beneath the moonlight, here I stand, thinking of your smile, soft and grand. Your shadows dances in the gentle air, making the night feel warm and fair. Moonville keeps my heart tonight. Hold the feelings I can't speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, the lights remains softly comforting. Stars are shining, watching us in peace, remembering laughter slowly cease. I reach for you in dreams so near, too far away. Your warmth feels clear. Moonville keep my heart tonight. All the feelings I can speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your life remains softly comforting. Only time could pause a while. It's the near you, sharing every smile. The night will fade, the dawn will rise. Sweet memories linger in my eyes. Moonville keep my heart tonight. Wrap my feelings till they feel right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforting.